Two things we hope for this trip. One is to give them the experience of going to sea in a very important historical sailing ship. To bring Bowdoin students back to the Bowdoin. And the second, in combination, was to do some interesting science on the Bowdoin, and I think that we've succeeded in that.
This is so cool.
We did 3 plankton tows today in a transect going offshore out to about 600 feet. We use a special net called a bongo net. It's pretty large, a stainless steel frame about 1.5 meters across. We've got a heavy weight on it to keep it down. So on a ship that's moving around, it can be kind of exciting getting it overboard and into the water. In about 10-15 minutes, we've got enough zooplankton to keep us busy for quite some time.
You see that?
We also were able to collect some physical data from our CTD instrument that comes from the same sites that those plankton tows did. It's basically a mini computer with several different sensors on it, so we can essentially vertically profile from the surface all the way down the water column and collect data on temperature, salinity. We can also get oxygen concentrations, chlorophyll concentrations, particle concentrations along that depth profile, and then bring the instrument back up. We can view the data in real time when we're on the ship, but we also, of course, save the data so we can download it later, visualize and analyze it, all from that instrument called the CTD. So it's a very important tool in oceanography, and it's great that the students got a chance to see how it works and see some of the data that comes out of it. A sailing vessel, especially a big one underway, is a pretty unique experience, I think. Just the feel of the wooden ship as it responds to the wind, the waves underneath it. It's a great way to travel. We have a really nice set of field collected data that we can use in our labs, and students get a better understanding of what's happening in the Gulf of Maine.